Hi everyone, in this video we're going to demonstrate our advanced desktop barcode duplicator kit, which consists of a label printer and a barcode scanner. This kit is independent and does not require connection to a PC. Simply plug it into your wall socket, then start scanning your 1D or 2D barcodes to duplicate them. As you can see, the kit is seamless and responsive and allows you to scan and duplicate barcodes instantly. You can also swap the barcode scanner with a normal keyboard and simply type in the data you want to print. We program and customize all our barcode duplicators according to your needs. We can tailor the kit to print content as required, and we also have a huge range of label sizes and types to cater for durability requirements and suit the environments they will be used in. For more information, please contact us by the methods in the description. Thank you for watching.